Neneru.
We officially hand over this project to the school authority headed by the headmistress, and also to the community authority headed by the community chairman and the PTA chairman. The project officially becomes your property. You cannot take care of it. Handle it like thank you very much. If there is still any other question, we are here to answer your questions before we begin. And one more thing, this property, irrespective of the fact that it has been handed over to you, it still remains official property of IEEE. We still bring our sticker and place on it. You understand? The sticker is written as I forgot it. So we still bring our sticker and place on it. Irrespective of the fact that we handed it over to you, it still remains official property of IEEE. The Institute of Electrical Electronics Engineering. It still remains the official property. Every electrical work that we have done here still remains the property.
Solar light doesn't only reduce our carbon pathway, but also gives us a reliable source of energy. While the web camera ensures security, not only security, but a safe environment for the teachers and the learners. So I encourage all of
Good morning, sir. Please, what is your name, sir?
My name is Comrade.
Okay, what do you have to pay? What do you have to say about this wonderful project installed by IEEE in your community?
Honestly, I'm overwhelmed. We are witnessing in this school what we didn't see when we were in elementary school. We never used life to study. Look at what is happening. It's completely different situation. In fact, I thank the IEEE for taking it wise. Coming to Obinwanne School to install this wonderful thing to attract this project. I thank Gozie, I don't know what in the Gozie who has followed the soil, thought it prudent to bring this, to attract this project to this community. Honestly, like Oliver Twist, what we're seeing here, we're asking that much should come. Never thought of such a thing happening here in hinterland, in the rural area, the school in rural area. Please, we ask for more. If you can make it, you can see the ongoing projects by government and you can talk about here. Please, learning under this condition is so wonderful, and we are very grateful to IEEE. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You're welcome, sir. Thank you. Okay, as the community head, what are the strategies we are expecting from you for the protection of this wonderful project in your community?
Yes, first and foremost, the very first day you people came here, we talked about security. Sustainability of this project is very, very important. And I assure you that nothing will happen even though you have installed a closed circuit television that can track any person that comes here to see anything. It's very important and essential that the community will go out of our way to put in our own best in making sure that nothing happens to the project.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.